We believe in Allah. We acknowledge the day of judgment. We know that prior to birth, we were with Allah in a place that He wanted us, in a form that He wanted us. Therefore, He blew the souls into the bodies through His divine wisdom and power in a way that He wanted. And He caused our birth on earth for a reason, and He explains that reason to us. I have not created mankind or jinkind except that they worship me. Allah says in Quran, we will indeed definitely test every one of you with a little bit of hunger, a little bit of fear, and so on. In Surah Al-Ankabut, Allah says, we have indeed tested those before you as well, for us to distinguish between those who are truthful and those who are liars. And just before that, Allah says, does man think that it is okay or enough for him? It is sufficient for him to say that I am a believer and then not be tested by us? That is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, which means that Allah is going to test you. Every day is an opportunity for you to prove to Allah that while you are waiting for the day you are going to return to Allah, you are going to be the best possible person in your short stay on earth. Remember that. Always remember, this earth is temporary, which means anything that happens on earth is also temporary. The only thing that carries with you your deeds, the way you did what you did for the sake of Allah. Good deeds will come with you, they will be multiplied. Bad deeds could be forgiven by Allah if you seek forgiveness, or they will be carried with you and regretted. So let's do as much good as we can on earth.